Hi guys, it's Fritz again here from Heat. I just want to quickly walk you through some of the items we will provide that you will need to install our unit and some of the tools we use. So the main unit tools we use is this 10mm long ratchet, which is used for the heat unit. We've got a very simple, short but very big straight screwdriver. Then we use, here's all the parts we will supply you, 2 M6 with the washers, the nuts, and these are the crimpers for the stainless steel beacons. The other tools we use a bit is a Phillips number 1 that will open and close the cases, and then we use a simple crimping tool, but if you don't have one of these you can also use just a straight out cutter or any kind of pliers you got at hand. The other things we use is a laser range finder to just double check on the depth of the hole, or just a simple tape meter, either of those will do. The one improvement we have found is that instead of this ratchet, we are actually nowadays using this driver, which will just speed things up a little bit. But not necessary, but it's definitely a nice perk to have.